26 years of development and inheritance. This is just a moment in the development history of Guose Group. Fushan, China, the industrial capital. In 1996, Guose was born in this legendary city. Focusing on the field of light steel design for more than 20 years, years of engineering project and landing experience makes our research and development, customization ability, as well as project planning and completion ability greatly improved. The future has unlimited possibilities. At present, we have more than 30,000 square meters. Strictly implement ISO 9001-2000 quality management certification system of production base and standardized production lines. We have advanced production equipment and strict inspection and quality control. We have obtained CE product patents and MIC and Ali China Gold Supplier certification. The sales and design team, composed of 170 elites in the industry, provides customers with a full range of pre-sales and after-sales service and technical support. Therefore, we have won the trust and the long-term stable cooperative relationship with many well-known brands at home and abroad, such as Caltex, Frames, MRS, China Railway Construction, etc. Our projects are spread all over the world, and we have completed the slab house project in South America and Southeast Asia, the gas stations and housing project in Australia, Africa, and the Middle East, camp projects in the United States and domestic, etc. The future of Guose will become the leader of steel structure construction and cultural tourism industry in China and even in the world. In the past, Guose has been widely recognized by the market with its excellent products and reliable quality. In the future, we'll grow together with more than 2,000 customers around the world. Breakthrough and innovation open up the future. Guose, the choice of wisdom.